Hello everyone and welcome back to 5 a.m. English Loop. I'm Shita. Today we are going to discuss something very innovative and exciting. Okay? Do you sometimes feel your English sounds broken or a little disconnected? The secret to smooth, natural speech lies in transition words. Okay? Words like however, therefore, moreover, they glue your sentences together and make you sound fluent. In this video, I'll show you how to use them easily so your English flows like a pro. Okay, let's dive in. The first example is however. However means used to show contrast with a previous statement. I wanted to go for a walk. However, it started raining. Got it? Next one is therefore, used to show a logical result. The shop was closed, therefore we went to a cafe. Next one is in addition, adds extra information. Like he's smart, in addition, he's hardworking. On the other hand, shows a contrasting opinion. I like tea, on the other hand, coffee is stronger. For example, to give an instance of something, there are many sports, for example, football and cricket. Moreover, adds emphasis to an additional point. She's talented. Moreover, she's kind. Meanwhile, at the same time, he cooked dinner. Meanwhile, I set the table. Nevertheless, despite what has been said, it was raining. Nevertheless, they played outside. As a result, shows a consequence. She studied hard. As a result, she passed the exam. Next one is, similarly. It shows similarity. Dogs are loyal. Similarly, cats can be affectionate. Thus indicates a conclusion. He didn't study. Thus, he failed the test. In contrast, highlights a difference. In contrast to summer, winter is cold. Consequently, as a result of something, she overslept. Consequently, she missed the bus. For instance, to give a specific example, many fruits are healthy. For instance, apples. Although shows contrast within a sentence. She smiled although she was tired. Otherwise, if not, then hurry up, otherwise we will be late. In other words, to rephrase for clarity, he's frugal. In other words, he saves money. Furthermore, adds a stronger point. He is experienced. Furthermore, he's creative. Instead, in place of something, we didn't go out, we stayed home instead. As well as, in addition to something, she sings as well as plays guitar. In summary, to give a brief conclusion, we visited 3 countries. In summary, it was a great trip. In short, to summarize briefly, she didn't like the food. In short, it was bad. In conclusion, to finalize an argument, in conclusion, teamwork is essential. Likewise, in a similar manner, he enjoys traveling. Likewise, I love exploring new places. Even though, despite something, he smiled even though he was hurt. And that's how linking words can completely transform your speech, making it clear, confident, and fluent. Start using just 1 or 2 every day, and soon it will become second nature. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to upgrade your English with me at 5 a.m. English Loop. Okay, bye bye.